Curried Eggs and Rice, a Carla's Kitchen video. Please subscribe to CB99 videos. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook curried eggs and rice. Just one egg in a bowl of rice. It's a little dish that I just invented that I'm going to cook in the microwave. And my ingredient list here is a bowl of rice that I've put in. So it's cooked rice, brown rice here, some curry powder that I've mixed up, some black pepper, and an egg. And one more ingredient, organic extra virgin coconut oil. The first thing I did was I took a spoon and I made a little depression. Now I'm going to take a little bit of curry powder that's homemade, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in there because you can't get enough curry powder, I think. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil in the rice where I'm going to put the egg. So I put in some cold rice that's already cooked from my refrigerator into a bowl. Make an indentation, and in that indentation I put in a little bit of curry powder. Mine's homemade, but you don't have to. And then a little bit, like a big teaspoon, say, or tablespoon of organic coconut oil. You could use butter or olive oil. I use coconut oil because I don't like to eat butter. Now I'm going to put this into the microwave for a minute and a half to warm it up before I put my egg in. So I'm just going to put it into the microwave, and I'm going to press 133. That's my favorite way to do a minute and a half. And then I'm going to press start. We'll come back. And there we go. We're ready to take it out. You can see some of the coconut oil has melted and the rice is heated up. I'm going to put it in for another 25 seconds. Alright, so that's been in for about 2 minutes. Most of the coconut oil is melted and the rice is nice and warm. There's some heat coming off of it. Now I'm going to put my egg into this dish. Okay, and so, okay, now I'm just going to let the egg drop into the middle. Clean out the shell. Put the shell into my compost. Now I'm going to grind some black pepper onto the yolk, freshly ground black pepper. And now I'm going to put it back into the microwave. And this time I'm only going to put it in 33 seconds. And then, so now when I take this out of the microwave, let's see, let's look at it. It's a little liquidy. I'm going to put it in for 20 more seconds. So I put it in for 33, now I'm going to put it in for 22. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, so the white you can see is a little more solid, but it still has some cooking to do, but I'm going to let the rice do the cooking for the rest of this. So all I'm going to do is take my nice liquid yolk and mix this all up into my warm rice. Whoa, we're steaming up the camera. That's how hot this is. I'm just mixing this up into the warm rice, and now I get to taste it. Have to blow on it. Oh, that's great. That's how you make curried egg on rice in a microwave. That was so good. And so just to review, what I did was I heated the rice that was cold from my refrigerator. It was already cooked for 2 minutes. It's brown rice. Into that rice I had put a little indentation, and I had put some curry powder and coconut oil. Heated that for 2 minutes in the microwave. Took it out, cracked an egg into the middle of the indentation of the bowl, and put that back into the microwave for approximately 1 minute. It was about 55 seconds in my microwave. You're going to have to experiment for the timing on this. Depends on your microwave. And then I took it out, and the white wasn't quite cooked, and I just stirred it up
and there it all cooked in, and now I have a delicious curried egg on rice.
If you like this Carla's Kitchen video, please subscribe to CB99 Videos.